All right, guys, we got a beautiful VW GTI, and you can see from the intercooler, it's not your average GTI. Really nice, beautiful car. And let me show you what was done to it. We haven't done anything to it yet. He brought it. It's got a downpipe, 3-inch stainless steel. Then he's also got a full Unitronic catback system, 3-inch. We'll see if we have a link for it. 3-inch also. There's a resonator. 3-inch continues. There's the muffler with a dual outlet there and there. You see it, guys? There's a 3-inch muffler. There's the tailpipes into 3-inch tips right there. Unitronic system. We'll see if we can get you guys a link in the description for it. There it is. So we're going to let you guys hear it. We didn't install anything on it yet. We're going to actually do a muffler delete on it. So we'll have a 2-part video on it for you guys. We're going to let you hear it with the Unitronic system. And then we're going to do a muffler delete and let you hear it after. And you guys tell us in the comments which one you like more, with the muffler or without the muffler. Stay tuned. And again, guys, sorry for the construction. They're doing construction. They're almost done with all the loud noises. They'll start building soon. We won't have to worry about it. But here we go. GTI with a Unitronic system and a stand downpipe, 3-inch. It's not bad. Sound decibels. Right at 103. Again. All right. That's the Unitronic system, so we'll let you guys hear it when we do a muffler delete on it. All right, guys, so 2018 VW GTI with a hybrid IS38 turbo. He wanted to keep it a sleeper, but he couldn't do it anymore, so you guys can see it's not a sleeper anymore, but it still looks good, though. It's pushing over 400 horsepower out of this little 4-cylinder, so you can only imagine this thing is quick and very light. So anyways, it's got a downpipe right there. Then it's got a sleeve, and then it's got a 3-inch system by Unitronic. We let you guys hear it before with the full system, but we left the Unitronic's resonator on it, 3-inch pipe. And then we did a muffler delete with a custom wide pipe setup to make the muffler delete fit right there. We showed you guys what the muffler looked like before. There it is, muffler delete, right there, custom wide pipe. Very pretty, very clean. The muffler, that's the Unitronics muffler right there. That was on it, that we took off. You guys ever wonder what that looks like inside? That's what it looks like inside. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a center in, dual out, one on each side. It's pretty heavy too. Oh, it's got a crack in it right there. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Sound decibels. 111, bro. That's loud. 112. Hell yeah. Kid show, man. Can't cuss. What are you doing? Heck yeah. Just missed.
That exceeded my expectations.
Heck yeah, that's what we like to hear, man. Sorry about the construction, guys, again. But they're almost there. Look, the hill is almost gone, so they're almost done. I love the camera setup on that. How it pops out like that. That's cool. And you guys, if you want to follow him on YouTube, that's his handle right there. Make sure you guys hit him up and say Exhaust Addict sent you. He's got a bunch of videos on there, so. Sounds so good. That pop is awesome. It's perfect. Let you guys hear it on the inside. driver. Nice. It's clean. Perfect. There she is. You guys wonder what it looked like. There's that turbo. Let's see how quick this sucker is. Pushing 400 horsepower. It's pretty quick, guys. GTI, beast mode. Enjoy, guys. There's a big intercooler. Excuse my language. Kids show. Big butt intercooler. Anyways, GTI. So it was a little bit too raspy for him afterwards. So he drove it home last night and he's like, I needed a little bit quieter. Still got the same setup as before. You know, the downpipe, the Unitronics Resonator. But this Unitronics wasn't enough, so he brought it back. Added a vibrant 3-inch in, 3-inch out by 14-inch Resonator right there, or 12-inch Resonator. Okay, we added right there. We'll have a part number for you guys in a second. Right there, there'll be a link in the description for it. And then the rest continues 3-inch. Still got the custom-made Y pipe on it, there, and the tips out the back, as you guys can see there. Stay tuned. We're gonna let you guys hear it, and hope you guys like it. Not bad, still. Sound decibels? Yeah. Right at 105. Not bad, not bad. It's cleaner, a lot cleaner. It's got a nice stance to it. I'm glad it's sunny today. It was raining this morning and then it cleared up. No construction because it was raining. I love it. So much cleaner. Yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. Still mean though, man. I like it. It's different. Definitely. Enjoy, guys.